All right, here's our recap for yesterday's lesson. Sorry it's so late. We started with the Jamboard warm-up, and I think that campaign slogan you would use if you're running for president is what we did. We may have tried to do some breakout rooms as well, though a lot of people seem to be struggling with breakout rooms. And that is the wrong camera. There we go. All right. Just having a fan in the background always annoys me. Let's see, last week, we talked about what we did last week. So what I did was I went through last week. And I shared about scoring, introducing yourself to class. I showed an example. I talked about reading the syllabus. I shared with you that the answers to the syllabus quiz should be published. So if you go take the syllabus quiz again, it will tell you the answers. And we talked about Khan Academy, and we tried to get everybody up in Khan Academy. So at this point, hopefully everybody is in Khan Academy. And when you're in here, this is not really what you should be seeing. You should see your assignments listed that you need to do, and you should do them. And then I'm able to see which ones you've done and haven't done. And if you're still having problems with Khan Academy, you should let me know and get a hold of me. I think it's a pretty good way to learn. Very consistent level, even way to learn and make sure we get everything covered that's supposed to be covered. Then I talked about what's happening there was one more thing. This is the text. You do need to read this and take notes for sure, I think. And so for week one, this actually went in the Skyward gradebook, this assignment did. So some people are showing an F in the gradebook because they didn't do it. So you should do that one, because that one was the only one that actually counted for points. Whereas everything in week two, pretty much most things in week two will count for points. We're going to do some more Khan Academy. There's another reading to do where you highlight and take notes. Then there's a couple of worksheets from the workbook that's published by the College Board. We talked about how you interact with those. Then there's a lab to do, which can be pretty challenging, and then a weekly quiz. And I don't think in AP Physics I got around to giving any notes. I did not. So that's what's coming up in our future. And we also tried to watch a dune buggy video published by the College Board. And what I learned was that trying to stream videos through Zoom is laggy and a big mess. So if we decide to stay with Zoom, I'll probably have to figure out how to conduct watch parties on YouTube or someplace, and so that we can actually see the videos together. Because it is kind of important that I'm able to pause them while we're watching them and ask questions right before he ruins it and gives away the answer. All right, as far as I can tell, that is what we did yesterday. So that's your short recap. Thank you.